Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do makeup for beginners. I'll start by showing you guys the products I'm using, and then I'll go in and explain what they're used for, and so on. Let's get right into it. So first we are starting off with primer. Primer helps blur your pores and helps the foundation stick. I'm going to use two primers today. One for my T-zone to help with the pores, and one for the rest of my face to add dewiness. Now that we're done priming, we can move on to foundation. Foundation helps even out the skin tone and cover up flaws. A couple tips I have when applying foundation is you always want to use a damp beauty blender and always pat, never rub. Next up is concealer. Concealer is a lot like foundation, but it's thicker and it still helps cover up flaws, but even better. It can cover up acne scarring, dark spots, sunspots, freckles, stuff like that. So after you're done with all of that, it's time to set that all in using a setting powder. Setting powders help set in concealers and foundation, and it's also used to cover up oily skin or reduce shine. Here's me coming back with my eyebrows already done. Don't worry, I will show you guys how to do eyebrows. I'm just saving that for another video. So now we'll jump right into contour. Contouring helps define the structure of the face and bring back color to your face. You can also use it to enhance something, like creating a shadow to make something look slimmer or more enhanced. So next is blush. Blush is also used to bring color back into the face, but more of like a flush of color. The last step is to highlight, and I think that's everyone's favorite. Highlighter is also like contouring, but you use a lighter color to define the structure of the face. Highlighters are also always reflective in light and are all sparkly and stuff, so they're just pretty much fun to play with. Well, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys learned a lot. Thank you. Bye.